Hi, my name's Carly. I'm the Global Sales Manager here at Antrica. Today I'm here talking to you in a bit more detail about the ANT-1776 UAV. Now this particular product is more focused around integration in drones, as HDMI is the predominant input from most cameras that are built into drones. So here we have the main board and we have the HDMI on a fly lead. So the reason that the HDMI has been mounted onto a fly lead is in unmanned applications there's a lot of vibration, so the actual lead itself takes a lot of the flex, meaning that the connection on the HDMI board does not get damaged as easily or come loose. The other benefit of this particular product is it has composite as an input as standard on the main board. So it has HDMI and composite. This is a H.265 or H.264 video encoder, and it's NDAA approved, meaning that there is not a China chipset on here that is in conflict with any of the companies that the NDAA standards don't recognise. So the beauty of this particular product is the multiple inputs. It also does have a USB input on the main board also, so it can actually take an additional USB input if required. There is onboard eMMC storage, so if you want to store anything on that is possible. You can also store raw footage onto the USB-C using a memory stick or something along those lines. The predominant use of that is actually in AI learning. So what we're finding is a lot of our customers are using our products to video capture live footage, but then store it as raw video, which can then be used for AI learning. This particular product also has the option of adding an AI mezzanine to it, and that is a Halo 8 chipset AI mezzanine. And that runs a YOLO version, or we can update that version as well for you. The key benefit of this product is that it's low latency, so it can achieve around about 100 milliseconds of latency point to point. It comes with a free software decoder so that you can display and view the video in low latency without the need to buy anything additional with this setup. The heatsink here is specifically designed to be mounted with this configuration. So by mounting the heatsink up against a metal enclosure, it will dissipate the heat away from the board so that essentially you're just managing the heat in a very controlled way. There's a lot of additional features to the firmware that goes into the ANT-1776. This is our latest product in our range, and we're constantly developing new features. An example of some of the features that we have at the moment, we have adaptive bitrate, where there's an integration with a micro-hard radio, so that when the radio signal varies or changes, you can actually use a lookup table that we give you, and basically the encoder will adapt to the environment and the signals to ensure the best quality of video is always getting put through. Some of the other benefits, as I mentioned, is the raw recording, which is a new feature. We also have integration with some of the Next Vision cameras. So they are a HDMI drone-based camera which we've worked with to integrate. And I think overall that's a good overview of the product to start with. If you have any other questions regarding this product, please feel free to email us at sales@antrica.com. Our website is www.antrica.com, and feel free to subscribe to our YouTube.